Let me show you how to integrate Jotform boards with your workflows to instantly create tasks at the right moment. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically create a task in boards via workflows. That means that in a certain step inside a workflow, we're going to trigger that to create a task in our boards. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is have a boards ready. So in this case, I'm going to use this one right here, which is a marketing plan template to give you an idea what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and view this board right now. And we are going to automate workflows to create a task right here. So this is one of the boards that we're going to use for demo purposes. And we can connect through going straight to the workflow that we want to use, or inside of boards, we're going to go into connect assets. And in this case, we're going to go to connect to workflow. This is going to ask us which workflow do we want to use. In this case, I only have one in this account, but if you have several workflows, you'll be able to view them listed right here. So in this case, I'm going to use this one, which is a purchase order approval template. And what we can do in this case, for example, since this is a purchase order approval template, when a certain process of the approval is approved, we can create that task to fulfill the order or for any use case that you might think of. So right now we are in the build section. On the left, we are in the integrations tab, and we're going to find this option that says Jotform boards. We're going to drag this option in the section where we want to trigger to create a task. In this case, I'm going to trigger it right in the beginning just so we can go faster through the flow. But I would recommend that you set it right at the end where you have the approved, then you create the workflow. In this case, I'm going to do it this way. So I show you really quickly how we can create that brand new tasks in board. So let's go ahead and complete the settings. We're going to select the board, in this case, our marketing plan template. Then we need to connect, for example, the task field title. I'm going to tie it to the name. So I'm going to keep it like that. I'm going to add another field. For example, the description, I'm going to say, do we need an office chair? Okay. I'm going to keep it really simple for this purpose, but we need to tie tasks with the form fields so you get the right output. So in this form, it's just for testing purposes. Let's go ahead and save. Here we go. And it's going to be triggered right at the beginning. But again, I would recommend at the step at the end of the approval. Let's go ahead and preview this. Let's go ahead and test it out right now. Let's start run. Here we go. Let's fill out this demo data just for testing purposes. Yes, select the options right here really quickly. Let's go ahead and submit this since we don't need more details to create the task. Okay, so right now it's being triggered. Here we go. Going to the next step. It's creating the task right now. Let's go ahead and see this right now. Here we go. It's loading up. And here we go. In backlog, we got the title for the name and it's the details from the submission right now. And the description, remember we tied the do they need a chair, yes or no. And that's what we said for the description. So just a really quick, easy way to create a brand new task here on Jotform boards. So as you can see, it can be a really useful use case to create an automatic task when a certain step of the workflow is triggered. So if you want to try this out right now, sign up for Jotform, build your board and connect your workflow to boards to create automatic tasks. I thank you all for watching. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the automation between Jotform boards and Jotform workflows and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.